Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to allow your members to send music files from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, enabling music sharing in your group is quick and simple. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at your chat list and find the group where you want to allow music sharing. Click to open that group. Now, as an admin, you'll see 3 dots in the upper right corner of the group chat window. Click on those 3 dots to open the options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group's management settings. Inside the management panel, look for the Permissions section. Click on Permissions to see all the actions your members can or cannot perform. Here, you'll find a list of different permissions, including sending messages, media, stickers, and more. Find the option labeled Send Media. Click on it to expand the available media types. In the list, you'll see a toggle for music. By default, this might be disabled to prevent members from sending audio files. To allow music sharing, simply enable the Music toggle. After you've enabled music, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the Permissions window. This change will update your group's settings instantly, allowing all members to send music files directly in the chat. That's it. Your group is now ready to share and enjoy music together. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked a fun and interactive feature for your community. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow the same steps and toggle off the music permission. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other Telegram admins. Enjoy the music and happy chatting.